Hey there, this is Crystal, and we're creating a Gmail account for ourselves. Google has quite a number of different options available for you. Gmail is their great email. So let's go to the internet and go to the Google main website. If you notice towards the upper right-hand corner, there's this apps option. Once I click on it, here I can see all of Google's entities, one of which, look, there it is, Gmail. Once I click on it, I can follow the prompts to create my account by adding my name, phone number, any information that's needed. I already have a Google account, so here's my name right here. Once you do that, it asks you to set a password and then sign in. So there you go, creating a Gmail account for yourself. This is Crystal. See you soon.